I'm Reynaldo Comen, and you can call me Ray. And I am a career shifter. No? I studied web development because when the pandemic starts, no, last I think it was 2020, no, I needed another source of income. No, as soon as I studied it, no, nakuha nito yung interest ko, yung pagko-code, especially sa logics. No, I really don't know na gusto ko pala talaga yung logic. No, na-discover ko lang din to no, when studying about coding. No? And nag-self-study muna talaga, ma'am. Siguro after a year, tsaka ako naghanap nung bootcamp kasi I feel lost na nung nalaman ko na yung mga basics. If I compare self-study and bootcamp, kapag self-study ka kasi, ang dami mong kalaban dito eh. Unang-una yung laziness and yung procrastination. Yung mamaya na lang, mga ganon. But when you're in a bootcamp naman, meron kasing clear path. Merong magtuturo sa'yo kung ano yung susunod mo pang aaralin. And then, mas kita mo yung ilaw sa dulo ng tunnel kapagka nag-bootcamp ka. Ayan. Siguro pagdating sa pag-advice ko dun sa mga nagse-second thought pa about kung gustong mag-join sa bootcamp, siguro assess yourself, no? Make a lot of research, no? Lalo na sa mga katulad ko na career shifter nga, it takes a lot of courage to jump from one career to another, no? If you're gonna join, no, you need to study a lot. Hindi kasi madali. It's not gonna be easy. And I can say na hindi para sa lahat ng pag-aaral ng web development because if you're really interested and want to take a leap, no, Zuwit is one of the best bootcamp here in the Philippines, and they will teach you a lot, not just about the codes, no, but how to handle problems, making those big problems to smaller one.